everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair, and if you're looking for a 1-minute work style, look no further. I'm going to show you how to do it. I have done a deep part today, and I'll show you at the end what I'm doing with this strand. The way I've decided to do it is I'm kind of going a little bit sort of in on this side, but on this side where the actual hair's falling, I'm going to take this over the ear a little bit. So that side's swept and that side's a bit tighter. So just a few small grips is all you're going to need for this style. You're going to take hold of this hair with your left hand, and with your right hand you're going to get 2 fingers and just place it there. And then just going to twist with that right hand. Keep twisting like so. Tucking that little tail in. Holding onto this little loop at the top, we're just going to take one of our hair grips and just push it straight down there. So that's kind of how the back looks, and then I'm just going to show you how to do the front. So I am just waiting for my trusty tongs to heat up. You could use anything, straighteners, wand, tongs, whatever. Have these heating up while you're doing this bit, so it literally is 1 minute. So are you somebody that likes to kind of make an effort, look stylish for work, or are you more about like, no, it doesn't matter, just let the work speak for itself and you're not interested? Leave me a comment below. Now with this front bit, I don't want it to be a big curl. I just want it to have a bit of a bend. So I'm just rolling that barrel around this top bit here, like so. And then this bit here, I'm just going to roll it away. So quick spray and we're good to go. Let me know in the comments if you think this is one that you want to try. There we go.